Good morning, students. You are watching a video of third term, class 4, unit 6, fractions. Children, here I am going to make you understand the concept fractions by a simple example. There are two girls named Ronnie and Gauri. Ronnie and Gauri wants equal share from 4 dosas. First, how many girls are there? Yes, 2. Then, how many dosas these two girls are going to share? Yes, 4. So, how many shares have to be done for each? Total dosas divided by 2 girls, that is 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So, Ronnie will get 2 out of 4 dosas and Gauri will get 2 out of 4 dosas. Activity. Children, to your better understanding, yet another example. A circle which is divided into 4 equal parts are given to Arun, Tarun, Sankar and Gopi to color it. The activity of the boys is to complete the task of coloring in 2 minutes, which is given below. In the above pictures, 1/4 or quarter portion was colored by Tarun. Tarun colored is 1/4 parts of the picture. Like that, 2/4 portion was colored by Arun. Whole portion was colored by Sankar. 3/4 of the portion was colored by Gopi. Children, to know the concept of half, to this activity, here they have given whole fruit and 2 equal halves. The above pictures were divided into 2 equal halves. Children, the above shapes are divided into 2 equal parts. In the 2 equal parts, one part was shaded. The shaded portion was 1/2 and the unshaded part was another half. Exercise 6.1. Shade the half portion of the given pictures. Children, the half portion was shaded now. Like that, the remaining 4 pictures are shaded now. Children, are you clear with the concept half? Now, let's see 1/4 or quarter. Students, here you see 2 different colored circles and they are divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is called quarter or 1/4. The same way, every picture was divided into 4 equal parts and shaded portion represent quarter or 1/4. Next, let's go to exercise 6.2. Shade the quarter portion in the following pictures. First one, it has been divided into 4 equal parts. So, we can shade any one part like this. Second, the circle has been shaded. Then, square, semicircle, rectangle and triangle. Now, coming to the concept 3/4. We have 3 pictures. Each picture is divided into 4 parts. In these 3 parts are shaded. Shaded portion is called as 3/4. Next, shall we move to exercise 6.3. First one, color 3/4 of the following pictures. Here Again, all the pictures are equally divided into 4 parts. So, it is easy to shade 3 portions out of 4 like that. Okay students, exercise 6.4. First one, write suitable fractions as 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 in the circle given below against the pictures. First one, it is a rectangle. It is divided into 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. So, out of 4, one part is shaded. So, 1 by 4 would be the fraction. Second one, 4 equal part and 3 parts are shaded. So, the fraction would be 3 out of 4. So, 3 by 4. Then, third one, 1 by 4. Next, it is a circle and it is divided into 2 parts. Out of that, only one is shaded. So, 1 by 2 would be the fraction. Second one, it is a square and it is divided into 2 parts. Out of that, only one is shaded. So, 1 by 2 would be the fraction. At last, it is a triangle and it is divided into 2 parts. Out of that, only one is shaded. So, 1 by 2 would be the fraction. Exercise 6.5. First one, choose the appropriate picture given below for the fraction 2 by 4. Students, here all the pictures are divided into 4 equal parts, but shaded parts are different. So, 2 by 4 would be the second picture. Second question, choose the appropriate picture given below for the fraction 1 by 2. Here, first one is the correct answer. Third question, choose the equivalence according to the fraction given against the pictures. First one, 1 by 4. Here, all the pictures are divided into 4 equal parts, but shaded parts are different. So, students, 1 by 4. Which one is the correct answer, children? Yes, first picture 1 by 4. Second one 2 by 4. Second picture is shaded 2 out of 4. Third one 1 by 4. Which one is the correct answer, children? Yes, first picture 1 out of 4 is shaded. So, I think all would have understand fraction. Until we meet in the next video, thank you students.